Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you on how to solve Shopify business information verification failures so your store can start accepting payments and operate smoothly in 2026. When Shopify flags your business information as failed verification, it usually means some of your details don't match official records. This can happen with your legal business name, address, tax ID, or bank account information. Yeah, even a small mismatch can trigger this alert. First, log in to your Shopify admin and check the notification regarding the verification failure. Carefully read the instructions and see which information needs updating. This step is crucial because it tells you exactly what Shopify requires. Next, double check your legal business name, address, phone number, and tax ID. Make sure all details match the official documents exactly. Even formatting differences, like commas or abbreviations, can sometimes cause rejection. Now, verify your bank account information. Ensure the account name matches your business name and that the routing number and account number are correct. Incorrect bank details are a common reason for verification failures. If Shopify asks for supporting documents, upload them promptly. This can include government-issued ID, business registration certificates, proof of address, or bank statements. Make sure these documents are clear, readable, and current. During this process, avoid making major changes to your store or products. Stability helps Shopify process your verification faster and reduces the risk of further delays. You can also contact Shopify support if the verification is taking longer than expected. Be polite, clear, and concise when explaining your situation. Support can guide you on exactly what needs to be fixed to pass verification. Once Shopify reviews your updated information, your account should be verified and Shopify payments will resume. After that, monitor your account regularly to ensure everything stays in compliance. So that's how to solve Shopify business information verification failures in 2026. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify problem-solving tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.